Hello and welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I will show how I prepare this apple pie or apple cake, really easy recipe and with no sugar, just with stevia. So let's go to check the ingredient list. Okay, so to start, we are going to peel and cut the apples into thin slices. I will remove this part of the medium that does not serve to us. Just like this. Be careful with the fingers. And now we cut the thin slices. So we reserve the apple for later, and now we are going to put 3 eggs in a bowl. We mix a little bit, and now I will add this vanilla essence. I will put 1 tablespoon. We mix again. Now we add the milk. Now I will put the stevia, because this is a recipe with no sugar, just stevia. Now the cinnamon powder. Okay, and now the flour. We add the flour with the shaved yeast and mix. And now the apples. We mix everything very well. And now we are going to butter a baking dish. So we will put the mix here. We can put some cinnamon on the top. And we are going to cook in a preheated oven 180 degrees. How many time? About 30 or 40 minutes, until we have something like this and it's ready. An easy recipe, rich and sugar free.